Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my page. Silk is at Metro this week for $3.33. There's a $1 coupon that you can print from silk.ca. You can print one coupon per browser. Checkout 51 also have cashback for silk, so if you buy those varieties, some accounts have $1, some have $1.25. If your account has $1, then you're gonna pay $1.33. If your account have $1.25, you're gonna pay $1.08 each. Please note that you can upload 2 of each flavor per account. Hope this helps someone. Happy shopping, happy savings.